Welcome back, my viewers. This is Jason from Jason G Designs. This is the final tutorial of the Linux theme series. It's been a long while since the last video, but since then I've been fixing the main themes even further. Thanks to comments and even code from one of the users of Myriams-Fotos, I changed some CSS to make the theme look better, based on their code and my own. Check it out in the latest version on pling.com in the description. There is also a link to the changes at this theme's GitHub. A shout out goes to Ms. Tell at this theme's Pling page for helping make this theme better than it was. Having said that, let's get to the meat of this tutorial, creating a script to automatically update the theme. This is based on a series of commands to remove unneeded files and compress the final files. This clip shows how this process works for Ice, a similar theme. It generates a tar file that can be renamed by date. And this is Ice's update file, which we will use for reference. Let's create a new file for Champagne titled update-theme.sh. In the file, we want to add a bash shebang at the top of the file, since this will be a bash script. So we don't have to repeat the theme name so many times, let's add it to a variable. We are going to make a directory in our main folder if it doesn't already exist. The first part with the -d option checks if a directory with that name is present. If it isn't, we make a directory with that title. This directory is created one level above the current one, in the .themes folder. We next want to copy all the contents of the folder we're currently in, and put them in the copied folder. For this, we use the -r option to recursively copy the entire folder and subfolders. The asterisk at the end copies all of the content. From this point, we are ready to test our script. The Linux Hint website tells us how to make a script executable, which is able to be ran from the terminal. Checking in the terminal, we can see that the script does not have executable privileges. For this, we use chmod, typing chmod space u plus x space update-theme.sh. Now is the litmus test, seeing if our script works as directed. Going into the themes directory, there is indeed an Omnu Champagne copy directory with all the files inside. The next step is to remove unneeded files from the copied final folder. The production version of this theme does not need an update script or anything associated with GitHub. Copying over the original theme files automatically removes the .git folder. We can also remove files such as backups. Feel free to add other types here if relevant, such as thumbs.db and more. I removed Bluefish-specific backup files that ended a tilde symbol. For this purpose, we use the find command to look for files type F, with the name of all files ending in the tilde. After finding them, we specify to delete. We run our script again to see if our changes took effect. And they did. Those files are gone. Next, we move the copied folder to the root of our main theme directory, renaming it without -copy. After running the script again, it is now in the original theme folder with the identical name. We can now compress the file using the Linux standard tar and gunzip formats. Updating the theme again, it compressed our files as directed. These files can be renamed with the current month, day, and year. This naming convention could be anything you'd like. This is what I went with. After the theme files have been compressed, we don't need the copied theme files and can remove them. For safekeeping, we can move the final tar.gz file to the provided downloads folder. Running update theme.sh for the last time, we're left with a final compressed file to be renamed. Before, I was doing this process manually. Then I realized, hey, this can be scripted. This saves me a lot of time, and I hope this can save you time when working on your themes too. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you, my viewers, for watching.